Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to get a job in the crypto industry. The crypto industry has been growing rapidly in recent years, and there are plenty of opportunities for people looking to start a career in this exciting field.
The first step in getting a job in the crypto industry is to develop your knowledge. You need to have a basic understanding of the technology behind cryptocurrencies, how they work, and the different types of cryptocurrencies available. Do your research and read up on the latest trends and developments in the industry.
Once you have a basic understanding of the industry, identify your skills and how you can apply them to the crypto industry. The crypto industry requires a wide range of skills, including software development, marketing, business development, customer service, and more. Building a network is also important when it comes to finding a job in the crypto industry. Attend industry events, join online communities, and engage with people who are already working in the industry. Building a network of connections can help you learn about job openings and get referrals. When it comes to finding job openings in the crypto industry, you can check job boards and company websites for job openings. There are also specialized job boards that focus specifically on crypto and blockchain-related jobs. If you're having trouble finding a full-time job in the industry, consider freelancing or taking on contract work. This can help you build up your skills and experience while also earning income. The crypto industry is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest developments and trends is crucial. Be open to learning new skills and taking on new challenges, as this can help you stand out to potential employers. Lastly, make sure to highlight your passion for the crypto industry in your